Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete your T3 Arena account. If you want to delete your T3 Arena account permanently, then first of all, launch the T3 Arena game on your mobile device, and once you're on the main screen, tap on the menu button at the top right corner. From the pop-up, click on Options. Now, inside the Options tab, go to the left-hand corner and tap on Account. In order to delete your account, you'll need to find the Delete Account option right next to Current Account. Tap on that, and this will take you to Cancel XD Account page. From here, go through the information and click on I've read and click on Next Step. You'll need to go through the next step as well, follow through the instructions, and then once you do that, confirm the account you'd like to cancel by tapping on Confirm to Submit. After you send your request, wait for a reply from the support team and they'll confirm whether your account is deleted or not. And that's how you can easily delete your T3 Arena account in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.